course, means something. By winning the All-Star game, the National League will have home field advantage in the World Series. Reporting live, I'm Evans Boston, News 13.
That won't matter because,
he
once
does
the Red
it
Sox get in, they'll
himself.
sweep anyway, so who cares about that?
Yeah. Knock it down there, bring it back up.
A new study says a lot of middle-income people are going to run out of cash. That's ahead when we get down to business.
What's a Sally Buddy?
Clouds and showers, they are moving out.
Who's a Sally?
We have brighter skies in the forecast. The wind will touch 90 degrees. The full temperature forecast.
News 13 is brought to you in part by Lazy Boy Furniture Gallery.
Let me get that drink.
What would new taxes on oil and natural gas mean to you?
Well, I'm against it because this would really hurt our economy. It would take money away from local businesses and stores. People would just be more in a bind.
What yourself?
I think it's not a good idea.
He likes to do it himself.
First quality name
Oh,
brand
yeah.
furniture at great prices. Many at wholesale or less than wholesale prices. All year
Yeah,
round, not just at sale
this is
time.
tired.
And the new Go
Tired?
Wheels to Go
Want me to do it? Want me to do it?
Go Wheels to Go furniture outlet.
No.
In gray.
Going down. There he goes.
You need to go green. This is your chance to trade up to a cleaner
Lady
line.
sucks. Oh, you dropped it. You dropped it. That's how he loses them. Oh, he caught it. Oh. Oh, now he's got this other game where he throws it up there. Doing that. You drop it? Huh? Drop it. Go get it. Down there. Get it. You dropped it. Oh. Goodbye, Sally. Goodbye, Sally. Hey there. Go get it. Get it? What do you mean? You dropped the ball. Go get it.